Hi sir, this is Deepthi from 19MI0394. My project is online cab booking system, Uber. The software testing tool which I am using is Catalan Recorder. Catalan Recorder is the most UI friendly and simplest extension for record and playback on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Catalan Recorder is famous for replacing manual works on the browsers with automation. Even it can automate the repetitive tasks on browsers such as generating reports, filling forms, automating games, and many more. You can even test your own new features before handling your work over to the QA team. You can even run synthetic testing to monitor the functionality of web applications. It can shareable reports with visual dashboards and charts. Catalan Recorder is also the perfect alternative web recorder to Selenium IDE by supporting the legacy Selenium IDE commands and extension scripts for developing custom locator builders and actions. Even it can ability to add your own method of locating elements into KR through extension script. Even it can data driven testing capabilities, integrating with other Catalan solutions for advanced test generation, reporting, and test orchestration and needs. Yes, sir. In this Catalan recorder, as we know, for every project there will be a number of modules. So we can, for the test suite, I can take it as a module one. We can name it whatever we want, and for each and every module there will be a number of test cases. So by going through the new, I can name it as test case one. Yeah, here we can see command, target, and the value. If the person who is an expert in coding or else he is an expert user, they can keep their own command and target things, and thereby we need to test the app or else any website or else in that way we can test it through recording option. Here we can see record, and then if we want to test any other website or else any app, for example now I can show you sir. We can go to, we can go to Instagram or any other thing else, and after that there everything is recording. I can have it password and login in. So after that, we need to stop the recording. By the way, we can see here command, target, and value. Whatever we had done, everything, the actions are recorded in this way. We can play it whether we can replay it what we had done. As I had entered the username and the password, it had shown everything is recorded. As the system is if the system is whether running, we need to know whether it is running or not. Here we can see that test cases are passed. So test case passed is equal to 1, the test case is passed. If it was a failed, then we can get here failed is equal to 1, but it is showing as 0. So the test case which we had done, it has passed. We can also save these recordings. We can also save this report. If you don't want any of these test cases, we can delete in any other cases. In this way we can record every test cases whatever we are doing for it. Not only this, we can have a number of testing tools. For example, we can even go through the GT Matrix website. Even we can here also we can check, if you want to check for the same website Instagram, we can also see. In this we need to just pass the URL here, so we can test our site. It is testing the Instagram page. Yes, sir, it is showing the performance. The Gmatrix grade had given A to the Instagram. Performance is 94% and structure is the 98%. And there we can see everything was everything was good. It is showing the impact and it is in the green. We can see first contemptor point. This is in this way also we can check not only the Catalan recorder, there are a number of ways where we can check, sir. Yes, sir. In further project, I'm going to test the my project Uber test cases and everything, and I will be showing it in, sir. Thank you, sir.